여러분, 안녕하세요. Christian입니다. And welcome to our part 2 of this video about my vacation here in Korea. I'm here in the hotel and time is now 8:08, I think. I guess it's just like past 8. In this part 2 of this video, I'm going to let you see and feature several attractions here in Seoul. Like we're going to have a kimchi class, then the hanbok dress, the costume, like some kind of tryouts, and afterwards we're going to Namsan Seoul Tower. Afterwards we're going to Nami Island. If you have missed part 1 of this video about my trip to Korea, well, you should go and subscribe to our Prism Friends YouTube channel, and you can see our video. We're just in the airport getting ready for the trip. This video we're going to experience Korea regarding on this tour. The temperature now in Seoul is 9 to 27 degrees Celsius, and it's not that humid compared to my home country, which is the Philippines. I know this is gonna get cold, so I'm wearing this kind of outfit. I'm going to bring jacket just in case. And as you can see on the weather, I bet it's going to rain, so we really have to bring umbrella just in case. If it starts to rain, then at least we're prepared, taking the precautionary measures. Well, I'm just kidding. Yeah, but we did prepare umbrellas in case if it's raining here in Seoul. We're getting ready now. I hope you can enjoy the rest of the video about this Korean tour, and let's go! The weather right now in Seoul, it's a little bit gloomy. That's why, as what I've said in the beginning, I prepared the umbrella just in case if rain starts to happen, because it's going to be a long trip and you can see the clouds covering all over the sky. We're going to the bus right now. I'm still here in the hotel. We're just waiting for the tour guide here. Afterwards, we are going to the kimchi class and the hanbok tryout, which is going to be our costume for the day. Oh well, just kidding, but we're going to try our hanbok costume. As what I'm gonna observe here, I haven't seen the bus yet, but I can let you see the city. This is the city, guys. As what I have told you from the beginning, it's going to rain. That's why we should get prepared by having umbrellas ready. These are the buildings near the hotel, guys. Yeah, as you can see, and it's cloudy out here, fair weather. Many more buildings in here. Look at that traffic jam here. I'm just kidding. Well, this is it, guys. We're going right now on a bus, and we're going to start our city tour here in Seoul. Alright, this is the bus, guys. We're going to go in. Yeah.
So that's why I'm very
okay. And this is a tour guide here. Say annyeong.
Yeah.
Putting on the bus. Okay.
Yeah. There, Hanbok. Yeah, Korean traditional costume. Then you can see here, yeah, people in hanbok costume. Here I am in hanbok dress, as you can see over here. Oh well, some of you guys think that I'm here in the palace, but well, this is just a background. Look, this is just a background over here. This is a traditional Korean costume that some of you know, K-dramas wear this kind of dress in costumes for such drama. Well, moments later, we're gonna have kimchi class, so stick with us, guys. 안녕하세요.
Thank you very much. I travel already. So so we're gonna be inside together for see to how preparation of the seaweed because it's a museum seaweed. Everyone do the seaweed? Yes, right. Okay. And it out. Please like to take a picture of that. Can you video? Thank you. Just only the picture. Yeah. Everyone, if you have it here already, please look at the map. Yeah. Now I need to explain for how situation of the seaweed first. This one is an example map South Korea. South Korea, everyone you can see this area have the red point right half the percentage. Why? Because this area have a farmers. Farmers will have cultivation for the seaweed. But you can see this pool. This one number one here have 5%. Why? Because here have the clean water and mineral here. So the more for cultivation of the seaweed. And we have the big factory here and the farmer here. For cultivation, how to do it? We need to use the trail which require a conductor cell with the length like this. Easy to dry the whole piece. We need to dry out the how long? Just 1 day to 2 days. If the winter time is not easy to dry, just 1 hour is enough. Because the winter time is have a lot of wind and the water is very dry, very cool. Okay, my uncle. Oh my god. And this one is the sesame oil. We need to apply the sesame oil. And after that, everyone you can see the box. This one is the salt and the fresh box. I never like this. This here. And everyone, after that, we need to give it more time to cook this. Why? For more crispy, more tasty, and more delicious. So we have to kill it is the 3 times. Yeah. Later we can try. Okay. Everyone, we can take a picture. And the second one, do you know this? You know the sushi, right? But the Korean name is the Korean kimbap. Kim is the seaweed, pap is the rice. And the number 4, you can get the seaweed eat together with any food. But the Korean people like to eat the squid or squid kimchi like this. And the number 5, I will to recommend like this one. Now become famous because very easy, very simple, but very delicious. This one, the Korean name is the chumukbap. Yeah, later we have to try too. This one really yummy. And the bread also can help you find in your hands out. You can try. Yeah, delicious. Yeah, not smell seafood. Yeah. So that's why now the seaweed Korea is like really famous.
So we finished Hanbok costume and the kimchi class. Now, next stop, we're going to
I think everyone is here, right? Thank you so much. And thank you for your patience and understanding everywhere.
I arrived here at Namsan Seoul Tower. I want to give you a sneak peek over here. Yeah, this is the Seoul Tower that you guys want to see. Namsan Tower, guys. Yeah, it's so big. Well, basically it's a broadcasting tower. The panorama of Seoul City, guys. Yeah, a lot of buildings. Well, how many buildings are there? There are a lot. I bet there were like thousands of it. So we're going to walk going near to the Namsan Seoul Tower. Let me tell you something about this. Well, this is basically broadcasting tower, radio and TV tower. Well, here in South Korea, we have 4 TV networks and they have 5 terrestrial channels. But imagine they transmitted in 1 tower. So how can you imagine that? How come we don't have like that in the Philippines? So is it because it's money? Well, at least we only have 1 tower, and the reason why they're doing this, 4 TV networks in one tower, so that at least they will not waste any electricity. They can only have one power source for that. Additionally, the Namsan Seoul Tower is really famous here in South Korea because as the background of it, there are several dramas, if I'm not mistaken, from TV networks shot their film there in that area, and that becomes basically more popular. The road in here, this is where several people jog and they go bicycle, but here inside when I cross where there are some security checks, I guess, I have no idea what to call this, but bicycles, cars, and other vehicles are not allowed in this area. Here we are. Check out this amazing view here.
Enjoy.
Well, I want to ask this to Jenny. Is this Jenny, right? Well, this is where this is the area where several drama shows shoot, right?
Yes, right.
Yeah, from different TV networks. Alright, thank you. 감사합니다.
Later, meeting in front of the bus station, okay?
Okay. Alright. Alright. Seoul City skyline. Okay. Let's walk over here. Yeah. And look at this palace looking. Yeah, this is sometimes like a carnival. We are near the Namsan Seoul Tower. Check it out. It's very huge, right? Yeah, it's so huge. This is the love block, guys. Yeah. Check this out. And another Seoul City skyline. Over here, there's another tower, and you can see the Lotte World Tower, which is the tallest building here in South Korea. This is another tower, guys, which you think that it's just like the Paris Eiffel Tower or the Tokyo Tower. Look at the broadcast station's vehicles. Seoul City, guys. A lot of buildings. This really brings to the end of the tour in Namsan Tower, but since it's 12 noon already, then we're gonna have some lunch. Yeah, it's going to be at B1 at the Namsan Tower. And if I want to tell you that Namsan Tower is not just a broadcasting tower, but also there are a lot of restaurants and shopping malls, whatever. We're gonna have some lunch and let's go. Here we are, guys. This is the restaurant. Here's the beef stew, guys. And here we have the rice. I want to open this now. Yeah, it's steamed. Yeah, kawaii in Japanese. And look at this side dishes. 잘 먹겠습니다.
Many kind of
We're done with lunch. At this point, we're going to another province here in South Korea. Gyeonggi-do province, and then afterwards we're going to Nami Island. So it's coming up.